Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Retest Espresso machine. Now this machine is from 1989 and it was brought here because it had a couple of issues. The main issue was that the machine was not pumping, and one of the other issues was that we ended up finding that this cable, as you can see, was completely exposed and a fire hazard as well, electrical fire hazard. So we had to replace that as well. We also had to replace the water pump. As I mentioned earlier, this machine was not pumping anything. This machine had the original pump from 1989. They do no longer make these, I believe. So we had to replace it with a brand new pump. We also had to replace some of the electronic connections of the machine, as some of them were burned. We also had to replace as well some of the hoses of the machine, since they were old as well and some of them were leaking. So yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. We also did clean this group head, completely remove the shower screen, clean it, back flush the machine, and just give it a nice good clean here. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing this beautiful machine. I'm gonna be purging the heat exchanger, so we're gonna see a bit of steam coming out through here, and then I'm gonna be pulling that shot. Once you get a nice, gentle, steady stream coming out from the group head, you know that the machine is pre-purged. And now we can do our extraction. Now we're using a very fine grind, not designed for this machine. We're using our Barista Duo grinder. So we might see a little bit of little drops coming out from the portafilter as the machine is trying to push that very fine grind. As you can see, there's no leaks coming out from the portafilter or anything. The machine is starting to channel through it. I'm going to just help it up a bit. And I believe the machine is not going to be able to push through that grind, as the grind for our Barista Duo is meant for a rotary pump. This one is a vibratory pump. So we're just going to stop it and we're going to redo that shot. Okay, I decrease the quantity of the coffee that we're putting in here, as well as I tamp a little bit less harder. We're going to purge again the heat exchanger, and then we're going to retry that shot. There you go. Now it's able to push. I did tamp a little bit less harder than that last time, and I did put a little bit less coffee as well. We unfortunately ran out of water during the initial shot, so it already channeled through the portafilter. It's not gonna give us the perfect shot that we're looking for, but we're still gonna be able to see a little bit of crema as well as a little bit of flow coming out through the portafilter itself. Gonna stop it right here. Back flushing perfectly. You can see this nice, beautiful crema. We could have gotten a much better shot if we didn't run out of water. Fortunately, we did run out of water. There's not a water tank sensor over here or anything. You will have to manually fill this machine up, as well as manually fill the boiler by looking at the side glass over here and pressing this button. So, just to show that the water pump is definitely working. Nice steady flow coming out from both the group head as well as from the hot water. Steam for this machine, you can see, really powerful, working amazingly, working great. So there you have it, Cafe Reds from 1989 working once again. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.